Hello again, and welcome to part 3 of this series. Here we'll be building a no-code recipe for legal use cases with Databricks services. Creating an agent recipe in Karini AI is straightforward. Configure the agent element by selecting the previously crafted agent prompt. The prompt and tools will automatically be loaded into the recipe. Test the agent recipe by adding the output tile and configuring advanced options such as message history, follow-up questions, content safety, and retrieval from the semantic cache. Test the recipe by asking questions through the test button. Monitor the agent's processing in real time using the prompt lens. The agent's streaming response also includes important statistics, like response times, token lengths, and content safety scores. Review agent actions and invoked tools through the prompt lens for detailed insights and troubleshooting unexpected behavior. Utilize in-depth observability by tracing each request execution and reviewing inputs, outputs, and attributes such as token counts. After testing, publish and export the recipe using export forms to deploy it in a production-ready chatbot application called Copilot. Customize the export form for the legal chatbot application by adding a name, welcome message, description, logo URL, and seed questions. Define chat widget size, colors, and custom error messages. Capture fine-grained user feedback on every Copilot interaction, enabling continuous improvement and fine-tuning of the RAG, recipe, or custom model. Integrate the chat widget into your web page easily using the auto-generated snippet code. Your Copilot is now ready to interact, responding to users' questions. And citing the context used. Suggested follow-up questions allow for deeper exploration of topics. Users can provide feedback using the options specified in the export form. If tracing is enabled, you'll receive detailed insights into the agent's processing, which can be used to aid in red teaming and ensuring the accuracy and effectiveness of the Copilot application. Coming up next, understanding the usage and user history of the operational Copilot.